What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kalima, and I am back with another video. Once again, I am an Uber Eats driver here filling in for Dylan. Dylan asked me to do a video for you guys, so shouts out to Dylan for always, making sure you guys have the tea on everything. Make sure you give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, give it some shares, some comments, definitely any sort of response that you can share with other people, hopefully to help them, or even just, sharing your own experiences might be cool for everyone. So definitely do that. Of course, you can subscribe so that you'll never ever miss a new video. And let's jump into it. Today I wanted to talk about earnings. With Uber Eats drivers, I think it definitely varies. In Los Angeles, I think there's a benefit because there's just always something going on, and there's always new food trucks and restaurants popping up. So it's really it's a great area. It's super busy, which can be annoying with the traffic, but it's a great area to work if you're trying to be active and steady and make a good income, especially as a side hustle. So when it comes to earnings, it is based on boost for me. I don't even step in my car unless I'm doing a boost time, which is usually, the breakfast time, the lunch time, and the dinner time, where Uber Eats gives you a bonus for even being out, because it's just such a high demand for Uber drivers. So that alone makes me have $15 to $20 an hour, and I leave the day, I'll do maybe 4 hours, 5 hours, and I'll make $150 after tips. So that's pretty good. And then, I might have a slow day, but never less than 100 really. And that's just those boost hours, which are about 4-hour increments, sometimes 3, sometimes 5. But it comes with strategy, you guys. It took a lot of trial and error for me. Not a lot, but you kind of get the hang of it, especially if you're, I was in Culver City. So just being in my own area, I knew my area. I know the hot restaurants. And customers love, to know that you know about their restaurants too, and we'll get into that. When it comes to strategy, of course, the boost areas, those high profile or hot areas that a lot of restaurants are always busy. We can obviously name a bunch of restaurants, you yourself, whatever city you're in, what restaurants people are usually going to a lot. More than likely, they're also ordering Uber Eats from a lot. Hang out in those hot areas. Even if it's dead, if you're not getting anything, wait 5 and 10 minutes. Sometimes restarting the app also really helps, but trust the area that is hot. Don't just leave it because it's like, oh, I drove through it, I didn't get anything. Sometimes, you'll find yourself driving through it, and then you'll be like, all right, well, I guess I'll drive somewhere else. And then you find out that you've been driving for 30 minutes, and it's like you really could have stayed there for maybe 5 or 10 more minutes and see if you can get a new delivery. Some other tips, be happy. Like I was saying, when you know that you love that restaurant that you're delivering from, show that person when you're giving them their bag, show them that you're excited, that you love that. Let them know about a special that's going on. Let them know, sometimes those restaurants will even give you, oh, that person's eligible for a free dessert because they spent X amount of dollars. Let them know, hey, by the way, you actually were eligible for this dessert. I brought it either way. Or keep it for yourself. Maybe not. I don't know. It's up to you. And then let them know, hey, just so you know, the next time when you order, you actually are eligible for a free dessert or whatever, letting them have those little tips can get you a tip. Minimizing the wait time to make room for other deliveries. So, it's really good to hang out in those hot areas, give it another 5 or 10 minutes, but also minimize those wait times when you're delivering to that actual customer. If they have a house, great, knock on the door. More than likely in Los Angeles, it's an apartment building, it's a condo. You have to press a code just to get into the building, then up the elevator. If they're taking too long to even respond, call Uber. Let Uber know that, hey, I'm here. Make sure you're docking my time, because Uber doesn't always have the accurate time and it's not fair to you. And that's pretty much it, you know. Definitely, like I said, give this a thumbs up, comment if you can relate or if you have any other tips that you'd like to share. Make sure you subscribe. There's a video all the time. And of course, follow me at Kalima Cam TV. I hope to see you on the next one.